Hi guys, today I'm going to do some iOS tutorials for the iPhone, and as you see I just got a Mac, so I'm going to be using most of my videos in this Mac from now on. So let's just open up Xcode. And create a new Xcode project, single view application, call it my first app. These storyboards and include that. I'll just put in iOS apps, create. I don't have any icons or anything, so I'm not going to use that. And I just updated to the new Xcode. Sorry. So let's change this to default, and you can change its tint color. Let's make it portrait. So now we're not going to use any coding. So go to main storyboard.storyboard. Get another view controller. I'm going to make it full screen. There we go. So now let's go to object. So in objects, let's get let's get a toolbar. Let's call it page 2. Get one here. Page 1. So now control click, control hold, hit, what is it? Hit view controller. Oh no, it's modal. It's model. Model. Here. Okay, so it's connected. Now let's just add some text. Text here. My second page. And I have one here. My first page. Press run. Should open. It will probably ask you for permission to type in your password. Okay, my first page, page 2, my second page. Go across, control click, drag it. View controller modal. Control run this, run. my first page. Let's see if it works on my second page. No. I'm going to pause it to see what's wrong with it. Figured out I had to just redo it just because I wasn't doing the buttons. You need to hold there. Right. Get only the button. Chocolate. Model. Chocolate. Model. Okay. Now try it. I'm gonna quit this. And let's just add some text back. Label. Hello. Now let's just see if it's just doing the same thing. Hi. Hello. Okay, so that's about it for this tutorial. Please like, favorite, comment, subscribe to Bloodcorn. Yeah.